There's a big development that's taken place in the Kanpur Lamborghini crash case. 12 crore Lamborghini released by the cops is what we are learning. Supercar released after the owner furnishes bond. Owner furnishes a bond of rupees 8.83 crores. The court has come out to say the Lamborghini can't be sold, modified or transferred. The Lamborghini, remember, had rammed into pedestrians in Kanpur. The accused, Shivam Mishra, is out on bail in the very case. 12 crore Lamborghini released after the owner furnished over 8 crore bond at the CGM court. And the court has now ordered release after two courts recused themselves. That is. Simar Chawla joining me on the broadcast, who has been tracking this very case since day one very closely. Simar, very good morning to you. Let's understand what we are learning here. 12 crore Lamborghini has now been released, but that is after the bonds have been furnished. 8 crore bond, that is what we are, a little over 8 crore bond is what we are learning. That's been looked after by this particular Shivam, who was arrested, his father.
Well, yes, Shreya, in a major development in the high-profile Lamborghini case, the CGM court ordered the release of the car after 20 days of the incident. The car was in fact handed over to the owner after he furnished the bonds of 8.84 crores. Now, what's interesting is that before the CGM court of Kanpur gave the order, two of the courts recused themselves from hearing the case, keeping in mind the controversy that have been prevailing, around the case. Although the court has in fact made it clear, they have put some conditions in the matter in which they have said that the car cannot be sold, that cannot be transferred, it cannot be modified, and neither the chassis number can be changed, and whenever required, the car can be brought back to the investigation. The court made an observation and made a statement that the car do not fulfill any legal purpose standing in the police station. In fact, the value of the car is being depreciated. There is a probability of the damage. These are some statements and the reason that have been given by the court for releasing the car. But we have already seen that how a positive investigation was already in the headlines after the accused Shivam was given bail from the court. Several questions were raised on the police investigation on the stand of the court, but that has been the case as of now. The car has also been released, the 12 crore supercar. There were several allegations against the system, and there were whole controversy. The bail has already been given to Shivam. The court has also said that the police have made it clear there is no need of Shivam to come back to the investigation. The investigation is complete. We'll file a charge sheet. We do not need to call him again for the questioning. And now the remaining thing, the supercar, 12 crore, that has also been released by the court.
Right, Simar. So this does bring in a very major and crucial development in the investigation that is continuing, and we will keep a very close watch on that. But right now, this is the update that we are getting, that the car which was involved in this high-profile case has now been released. It's been a controversial case that we have, in fact, taken up since day one, and we will keep a very close watch on it.